All right, so I want to introduce you to my meal because it's actually kind of unique. I'm enjoying cooking at home. I haven't done it for quite a while. I usually eat out, and I've realized how much money I actually waste. Unbelievable. So I'm enjoying myself. So what I have for breakfast is I've taken some fried chicken from the night before. I deboned one of them, as you can see. These are chicken thighs, which is my favorite. I've taken some leftover mashed potatoes here, and what I've done is I put it on a quesadilla, and you can see some chicken in there, some mashed potatoes on a tortilla with some salsa or pico de gallo, really is what it is, and some cheese. And that's my tortilla. And then I'm going to put it on a nice hot skillet, and I'm going to heat it, and I will be back in a second. So I put it on the nice hot skillet. I'm gonna wait for the bottom to brown, and I love cast iron. That's definitely the way to go. And let's just zoom in here so you can see the beautiful ingredients. I'm not going to be able to eat this whole thing for breakfast. I'll save some for lunch, but that's where we're headed. And then I have some sour cream and salsa for the top. And this is chicken dinner quesadilla. I have folded it over like a quesadilla, and I might have to stick it in the microwave for a touch to make sure all the cheese is melted. I hope not, because that will ruin the outer shell and the crispness of the shell. We'll have to see. You can see the beautiful crispness of the quesadilla, and it did heat in the center, so I'm not going to have to microwave it, which is great news. And then I'm going to put a little tiny bit of salsa on top and some sour cream and enjoy for breakfast and lunch. I hope you enjoyed my chicken quesadilla, or my chicken dinner quesadilla, and I hope you decide to try one for yourself. Bye-bye.